Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
I think it has been a very, very long time since we heard anything from Kennedy Japan. Election in TM no so why busy. And that Kennedy Japan I can't home. Now, Mashada and Namede me Twitter feed Abremo. Now, what's your Twitter so? Obehun say #1 Kennedy Japan is trending and up 222 7 a.m. Kennedy Japan air trending #1 on Twitter. Aseme na Kennedy Japan akwa Ghana for people na atwe wo no esine so. Ebi mo eka say e was say aposifo ekokokye no. Ebi mo so eka say Kennedy Japan so de e de nkwane na asem. Now obviously because it is Kennedy Japan nso ntino, a lot of people are also supporting him. Na e de no kokan. Now munim say eja hyehye ekoso e wo Ghana, especially marketplaces. Kennedy Japan say wo information e wo evidence a trese sa eja hyehye hyehye no Mahama Bevulo Lati Akamba Asiedum Ketia we mu nyina ye NDC for wo se wo mo na wo mo plan hyehye markets or evidence a trese ye nkrofo yi e na air plan sa anyama no anso hwa Kennedy Japan wie ye no wo se wo mo plan kra eye Mahama mo a plan say market na hyehye no wo mo de beko Kumase o mbe sha ase fi Kumase na wo mo asan so akọ Cape Coast akọ hyehye market e wo ho na etiefo nini na eye ensem a ama enkrofo kasa. Now it is not even based on the allegation na enkrofo bo Kennedy Japan wachi Kennedy Japan ka asa asem ni wie no no Kennedy Japan ka ase wo no so be ma ne enkrofo akọ hye Mahama ene enkrofo yi wo mu fie. Yes, also obema tax, obema ne nkrofo akwa hye Mahama mu fie because the woman ye no sebe ye nsamfun. Nti saa die we ya Kennedy Japan kan ye no ena ama nkrofo atwe wo mo ano esi ne so because we all know Kennedy Japan. Ende wakwa kan na ebi ochina obi akwa hye Mahama fie ana obi akwa hye Asiedum Ketia fie na ye de be hye Kennedy Japan say hey eye Kennedy Japan se sisi ana ebe yo no na so ebi kra na nipa bonifo bi e na akoye ana ebi kra na se ne onu akasa wo be ye no ebi kra na onu akasa nso akoye Kennedy Japan nsem de enye nde na meka wo channel we so maka mabre ntetiefo this particular point I will not even speak on this matter. What I will do is say I will just read the commentary coming through from Ghanaians. Now, one kasa mo hu de Ghana for air can. E won nsem Kennedy Japan why then what they atuja no. Enti yenko read. Now, this is the video. Nsem Kennedy Japan kan yenko
between any Meminda, they will ban Kumasi market and ban Cape Coast market. What is going on in this country? Mahama, Mr. Chenhom, who do you to? Ayasa, Yabeshu. And I say, hey, the catcher, Bevulo Lati. Wupa unsu dim kwasi asem wo Ghana ha emam omuhye market wo fie na wo easily go ya baba be show ara wa wotre no after the enyoma bi ya time wo Ghana asofofo na etimi declare Mahama as a winner in this country and wo mudi nsehunu with impunity na mo de mo shin ko fotu mo de mo nya nipa they've lost everything. Mahama, you are a fool. Where Kwasia Panu and Yonkuma Minister, Mahama Jimmy Fosa, you are a fool. Upa Trabium, Messe, Wamushi or Bia Marketa, Mahama, Jail Homes to do. Other movies I'm going to organize it. I feel my dad wouldn't be Blolati, any Asia Dunketia, any Akamba, any Baba Jama, send you 5 weeks, Messe, any band, anywhere in the country, Mahama never shoot you. I don't remember Ghana. What is going on? Mahama Jimmy Fuakasa.
On that Jimmy 4 note, no, you see, Embrebi by Tracy Boache, Eba Bontain, Yenim, Tracy Boache, Kennedy Japan at MDD. Tracy Boache be Kennedy Japan at them, no. As someone go for Bicare, our most supported Kennedy Japan, they say, Kennedy Japan, ye penny, Tracy Boache, any concern will be Kennedy Japan at them. Mahama, any seeing Kennedy Japan, but Kennedy Japan is here calling Mahama Jimmy 4. Those who defended Kennedy Japan when Tracy Boache was insulting him you were playing the age card, no. I want to hear what you people will say today. But in some Kennedy Japan wakano, and no. Walk. Was it a Jashia Kosu or baby Biumbia? Or no Sobaka Koshima Hama fee. Inti no so will be in Pemahama sem. Nani Pacono, Esheda, a Kokoshi, market beat, say young fan Shemahama, Kennedy Japan and Crawford, a bepeja womumu, or more the Beshamahama, Semahama, and Awakashi market, into Onoso Koshima Hama fee. This is the threat. And you see, Kennedy Japan saying this on live TV. I can assure you, with all my strength and all my will, say there is nothing Ghana police can do to Kennedy Japan, and we all know. We all know Kennedy Japan. Wakas Adiwe on live TV. Ma Emma NDC nibi, and then Kokasa Semwe police for Ochina. They are sending invitation. Amani Bakone say Wombra. Wabaya ne Achino. You see, you are arrested. Ma NDC nibi, and then Kokasa Semwe. But Eye Mahama. And our NDC for a year can send form of unity. I can assure you, there is nothing anyone in this country can do to Kennedy Japan for these threats he's issuing. That's just on that. Mr. Kennedy Japan same dear. My car on my channel, so my bread. My car on my channel, so now someone is saying this. What's it again? Court issues a bench warrant to this man for recording in his own house. And I'm not seeing any news on Honorable Kennedy Japan after insulting and threatening former President Mahama. This is heartbreaking. Asem way Eda Wabrantie Wako kan send be FA President Akufo-Addo hono. Yehu the police for Ede year no and the court issue arrest warrant amano. A year journalist we juma or Power FM no. But in this country, don't be deceived. Justice is selective. And I'll say it again. On my way mu member will be under that. Say the law applies to everyone. Justice in this country is selective. Justice in this country, it is selective. I am telling you. And uyobia wo open the clear and abeka say melodies boa, but open the clear be hu say asem melody say kan ya ne clear. Adia asume CB e wase ye chi obi tum no nipa ko ne belong to a political party ye nchi ne ntum. It is not only with MPP, even NDC time. Inti on my way muno, justice is selective. Don't be deceived by sa democracy and the law and ye den massa. Ye dada. Ye dada. Na make a show. Let's read more comments. Obviously, such a tomfoolery. Kennedy Japan, he insults and threatens judges and goes scot-free. He threatens a journalist today and the journalist dies tomorrow. Yet he's living free in his country. Is Ghana now a banana republic? And also near Asema will be Aircan. Obviously, has the Ghana Police Service seen this interesting Ghana under President Akufo-Addo? Was it Kelvin Taylor first before you guys talk about Kennedy Japan? Say Kelvin Taylor also can say before EC boss no say EC boss must be the target. And Uncle can say you perceive check Kennedy Japan and check Kelvin Taylor first. Obviously, I blame President Atta Mills for everything Kennedy Japan is doing to Ghanaians today. I will never forgive Atta Mills for that. Now, as I'm going to can say Atta Mills time and Kennedy Japan echo make statement because say Asante for enti I before any incline for and for Adiembo Mutimin Kuomo. And I check Kennedy Japan for treason. Now, say later you be joining mu and no hunting and the baku way cast will blame me Atta Mills because that time the Kennedy Japan cast answer no. Na kiya mam running the dia na kende one betina TV so enkeka can same be say. That's why the person is saying say will blame me Atta Mills. We'll be saying no I see Obi person or your advert can only Kennedy Japan. But say Kennedy Japan is the most stupid animal in the world. I wonder why these Asim people still vote for this rascal to lead them. You had a chance to sit on a national television to insult Mahama, a boy like you, junkie. I think this man was born by mistake. Hey, obviously they didn't attempt to. As a stupid old fool. If you are a man of your words, Kennedy Japan, try and bend Mahama in his house, and you see useless talk in Kwan. And also near Asema will be Aircan. I am hereby serving Kennedy Japan a serious warning. I swear, Ken, your life is easy for us. Let him try anything stupid. Such rapist, such murderer. After killing JB, Ahmed Swale, lay your finger on John Dramani Mahama, or should any time or should I think the person wanted to say, or should anything happen, you go down with JM as well, Kwasiato. When so any asema will be Eddie Kennedy Japan watem. I say, with all due respect, Kennedy Japan is a stupid man. Y'all be like, respect your leaders, but to be sincere, this politician deserves no respect. JM has always been tolerant, so they think he isn't a human being. MPP4 cocaine dealer. Whoever defends this is stupid. Asema will be air cannon. So I chanced on the image and learnt one of General Mosquito's sons joined a walk. So it means sons of politicians are also part of the protest. Into being so just say, I say don't Ketiaba. I say Kennedy Japan actually thinks he can show Mahama in this country. Laughing my ass out. He demand safe. Asema will be air cannon. So a lot of people are saying, say, well, Kennedy Japan. So what's what Beshe Mahama fear? Kokoshi na he. Na what she Mahama fear so we are. Ube hu ni se Mahama so one also one crofo. Sabi. Eja hihye no ana efie hihye no enye wo pe na ebia wo so to me no. Montre mo adwo comment box no mo me da se.